Mr. Satin Sachdeva. He is the founder and secretary general of Sera and is a dynamic entrepreneur with an ability to create modern ideas and has dynamism, keen foresight, impeccable leadership skills, intellect, and futuristic outlook. Mr. Satin is celebrating 25 years of successful journey in the industry, rendering excellent services to the nation in building infrastructure and generating employment. Today, he will be talking about significant role of equipment rental industry in bringing new technology, products, and solutions. So let's welcome Mr. Satin.
We'll surely be talking about the significance of rental companies. But before that, let's talk something about the entire infrastructure sector, what is happening up front. So we're very excited about this Gati Shakti plan, which Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi ji and Nitin Gadkari ji, everybody is taking care of. I mean, this is a fantabulous initiative which is really taken by Indian government, to get connected, all those 16 ministries, which is a great initiative, because earlier, because we have seen a lot of delays in projects and a lot of other issues. So, but with this Gati Shakti plan, I think with these things will really be picking up soon, and it'll again be, digitization of all these ministries along with the other government bodies, including railways, roadways, and even the inland waterways. And when we talk about inland waterways, we have not even started, we have not even started. So it is on a very nascent stage, but by connecting all these ministries and overall framework, I think India will surely be looking forward for $5 trillion economy, which we usually talk about. But then this is the time I think Dream will surely be picking up, and Dream will surely be coming true very soon. So, and when we talk about equipments, we always talk about rental. Thanks to Construction Equipment Rental Association of India, thanks to all the rental companies, that we all are united now, and we all are at the single platform called Sera, which is Construction Equipment Rental Association of India. So this organization is growing, and with the help of all the leading organized and semi-organized rental companies, we all are fortunately together at one single platform. Fortunately, with all the stakeholders, like when we talk about stakeholders, the number one stakeholder is infrastructure company, so the contractor, the infrastructure company. The second stakeholder is surely these financiers, so without banks and NBFCs or other financial institution will not be able to buy these, high capital intensive equipments. So that way, financiers, manufacturers, OEM, I always call them a parent, organization, because as a rental company, we always are buying it from an OEM and original equipment manufacturer, and then giving it on rent or lease. And when we talk about rentals, we do have certain models. Dry lease is there, wet lease. So in India, it is majorly about wet lease model. So as Mr. Alex rightly said, that we are still dependent more on manpower, and with the skilling, with the right skilling, with the right technology, with the Skill India mission, and a lot of work which has already been conducted by various government bodies, IFSC, Skill India Initiative, Digital India initiatives. Fortunately, this skilling has picked up very well, and the rental penetration is now close to 25 to 30% in terms of and when we talk about high-end equipments, which is majorly piling equipments, foundation equipments, high tonnage cranes, and all those big equipments, these are majorly owned by rental companies. So it's a very high capital intensive business, and with the things going costlier, with the manpower going costlier, the steel going costlier, cement, everything. So these equipments are also going very expensive now. So this is the right time. There is always a pros and cons, but then the positive thing is that now rental, there is more rental penetration, because so what we always say is leave it to the experts, and when we talk about Sera rental company, the 100% focus is on the equipment. For the contractor, it is just maybe 10% or 15% of the entire work, because they have to look after the architect of the same, and then the material is there, manpower is there, but for a rental company, it is always about the equipment, So that way they are now going technologically advanced in terms of IoT devices, with the GPS at place, and things are getting mandatory. Even the OEM, whatever the manufacturers they are selling, and they are selling it with the right IoT nowadays. So that way it is really helping us, tracking and, keeping a record of the diesel consumption and overall efficiency. So I myself being an automobile engineer, and it's been 14 years, more than 14 years in this rental industry. So we are taking this association to new heights, and definitely the equipments are playing a significant role. And with the right, I think, skilling and with the right technology, the rental penetration will gonna increase like anything. Maybe we'll be touching very soon somewhere around 50 to 60% of rental penetration. And we do have some challenges also. So we always are in touch with government bodies and policyholders to come up with, something what we call a recovery solution. There is a delay in recoveries, which is hampering the growth of rental companies and as well as infrastructure overall growth scenario. So we're looking forward for more legal framework, judiciary at the place, so that we'll be having the right recoveries. And I think with the policies, government is really bullish about these infrastructure segment. We are just second sector, next to agriculture. So infrastructure will certainly be growing on a very faster pace. But with some issues, I think it will certainly be. We've been writing since long to Mr. Nitin Gadkari Saab, to Ministry of Finance about these issues, and fortunately things are getting resolved, and we are looking forward to a very, very, very bullish approach in terms of rentals, in terms of overall infrastructure scenario, and looking forward for more to come. Like we're very excited about inland waterways, which is yet to take off, and once it will take off, I think it will be helping for sure, and it is a common vision for all the stakeholders. So we always request infrastructure companies to look after us, and then because they are the ones, from where we'll be getting the entire business and portfolio. So looking forward for more bullish growth. Thank you so much, and stay safe. These are a little tough times. So to all the audiences, lovely audiences, to the panelists, stay safe and have a wonderful year ahead. Thanks a lot.